Today, we enter into the sacred moment of Maundy Thursday, the night of the Last Supper. On this night, Jesus gave us the greatest gift, the Holy Eucharist, his body and blood, a living presence that remains with us always. But he also gave us something more, a commandment of love. He knelt down and washed the feet of his disciples, showing us that true greatness lies in humility and service. Love one another as I have loved you. Today is not just about remembering, it's about living that love in our homes, in our communities, in our daily lives. As we reflect on this day, let us open our hearts to serve, to forgive, and to love like Christ. Stay in
Stay
prayer.
in prayer, stay in His love.